Good afternoon, Country Manager Miss Wendy Lee, distinguished leaders from Atomy Leaders Club, fellow Atomian here and online. My name is Micky Ng, and I'm a newly promoted sales master. It is my pleasure to share with you my Atomy success story today. With your permission, by putting your hands together, I shall begin my story. I have the honor to serve Singapore Armed Forces for 20 years. I retired at the age of 40. And after my retirement, with the gratitude that SAF gave me, I used it as a capital to set up a renovation company. As all of you all know, setting up a traditional business, you will need many things. You need capitals, you need to pay rent, you need to have supply, equipment, salary, workers, websites fee, and many overheads. After 7 years of hard knocks, I have depleted all my capitals. Others may see me as a boss, but actually I'm just an employee of my own business that work for my own business, and worst of all, I will go without salary if my business doesn't have any sales. I had my first wake-up call during the circuit breaker in Singapore when Singapore is locked down. I had to pay the rent. I still have to pay all my employees, but I cannot pay myself. My second wake-up call is during July last year, when I'm quarantined for 14 days because I have a COVID-19 health warning list. So during the second wake-up call, I seriously think about what will happen to my business and my family if I'm to be quarantined more than 14 days. My business will fall up. My family will go hungry because I'm the sole breadwinner of the family. When I'm in the quarantine, I seriously think about how can I have the M stand for multiple streams of income. I have to look for opportunity that have more than one streams of income. The letter O stand for outstanding products or services. Does the business have outstanding products or services? The letter N stands for nothing down. Does the business require you a large capital to invest in, or you have nothing down, meaning you don't have to spend a single cent to get into the business? The letter E stands for employee resistance. Does the business require you to have a lot of employees, or do not require you to have any employee at all? The letter Y stands for the U must be high. Does your business able to generate high yields? The letter T stands for trend and timing. Does the business flow with the trend? The letter R stands for residual income. Does the business generate residual income while you are still sleeping? The letter E stands for essential to everybody every day. Does the business actually appeal to serve a large segment of the society? And the last E stands for enthusiasm. Does the business allow you to sell what you love? Can you help me to answer a simple yes or no question? Does MONEYTREE formula fit into Atomy? I can't hear you. Thank you very much. So, while I'm searching for an opportunity that fit the money tree formula, God heard my prayers and He sent my sponsor to introduce Atomy to me. He told me that Atomy is the solution to end my struggles. Initially, I did not take his word seriously. I took some time to learn the Atomy business via YouTube channel Atomy. I watched Chairman Park teaching to understand the compensation plan better so that I can decide if this is what I want to pursue. I realized that Atomy is perfectly fit the money tree formula. In this business, all I need to do is to use the product, tell others about the company and merchandise, and share with him the business opportunity so that he can be successful too. My journey starts early November last year. Of course, it was not a smooth ride. And there's times that I felt like giving up. To keep myself going, I will search for videos to see how others Atomians stay motivated and become successful. After watching many videos, I knew that rejection is just part of the process and it's totally normal. So I decided to embrace Atomy system coupled with successful leader support and committed partners. I managed to be promoted to sales master in December last year. I strongly believe Atomy is a business that anyone can be successful if you have the right attitude to learn and a humble heart and willing to help others. With clear vision and determination, we will be able to overcome any challenge ahead. To conclude, Atomy fit perfectly into MONEYTREE formula. If you are still not sure if it is a good business to be in, you should know the answer by now. Atomy is not a get-rich-fast business. As long as you do not give up, you will definitely be successful one day. Remember, do not use time to witness the success of others. Take action now. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Atomy Chairman Mr. Park for establishing such a wonderful platform. In this platform, I can visualize how I am able to be successful in a short 3 to 5 years' time. I would like to express my gratitude to my sponsor for sharing with me Atomy and sharing his love for me to be successful. I would also like to thank I would also like to express my gratitude to my team leaders who have guided and support us during the challenge. There's a famous quote that just now you have seen in the slide of STM Lim. If you want to walk fast, walk alone. If you want to walk far, walk together. So thank you, my teammate, for your trust and support. We have done well together. In 2022, let us share our love of Atomy to others and help them to achieve success and a balanced life. Last but not least, a big thank you to my family that have given me time and space to work in Atomy. My goal is to bring the whole family to Korea to visit Atomy HQ this year. In Atomy, the product brings you health. The life scenario booklet gives you vision. The teamwork gives you motivation. The company gives you system. And the compensation brand gives you a financial and time freedom. All you need to do now is to take action. Before I end my presentation, I would like to take this opportunity to wish all Atomians a happy Chinese New Year. See you at the peak. 我们顶峰相见.